Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have Nick's broken down 2001 Honda Accord, and we're going to be replacing the starter motor. So let's get right into it. All right, so to start out, we have a brand new starter. This one's from Ultima. It's just the cheapest one they had at O'Reilly's. We got the battery down here. This needs to be removed because basically kind of like right below the radiator hoses and kind of like to the side of the battery is where the starter motor is. It's actually a pretty easy removal. It's right down here, you can see it.
Yeah, some of those radiator hoses.
So it looks like it has a couple of 17 or 19 inch or 19 millimeter bolts, a 110 and one connector for the starter. But we are gonna have to remove this battery. You'd have to remove it anyways, just because you don't want it plugged in when you're messing around with the starter. You could arc and cause a fire. So first step is we're gonna go ahead and remove these terminals, and then remove these two nuts and take the whole battery out. So we're gonna do that real quick.
Right, so we took the battery out and the battery tray, and so it seems pretty straightforward from here. There are just bolts on that piece, which you're just gonna undo.
And that'll free up a lot of room. And then down in here, we can show that a little later, but there's a couple of, I think, 17s or 19s, and then the whole thing should basically just come off. All right, so we got the battery tray all taken out with the coolant bottle. That frees up quite a bit of space down here, as you can see. So for this part, all you're gonna need is a pair of pliers, a 12 millimeter wrench or socket. So right here, you have this little connector. This just pulls straight out. I want to be gentle with it. Put that to the side, and then we have two going in. So I think this is power and this is ground. I'm gonna go ahead and get in here. Make sure you keep track of that lock washer. And then now for the other one. Put that off to the side as well. Okay, take that ground. Oh, okay, yeah, you don't need to take off that back one. All right, so now you just have this, looks like 17 up here. Let's see.
Yeah.
All right, well. Oh, okay. All right, yeah, so it's going to be two 17s. You have one up here. I'm not sure if you can see that. See that?
No, not really. Kind of, yeah.
And then there's going to be another one on the bottom. So once you take those two out, the whole thing should just kind of come off. So we'll come back when that's off. All right, guys, so we got the new one installed, or the new starter installed. If you look down here, you can see the brand new starter. It's just the reverse order. So we have this 12 here, this little ground point here, which just kind of pushes in. And then right here we have, you can see that black bolt right there. That's a 17. There's another one on the bottom. We just made sure those are nice and tight. The top one is short and the bottom one is long. Just remember that. And then we put this this tray back in. That includes this this little coolant bottle. So all there is left now is to put the regular 12-volt battery back in, tighten down the two terminals, make sure they are on the correct terminals, meaning like positive on positive, negative on negative, and then it should be good to start up. So we'll get back to you when it's started. All right, so we just finished up putting the starter back in. Everything's back together. So we're going to go ahead and try starting it again. Okay. Hey, works like a charm. As you can hear, it's running. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. We have a couple other videos on this, a couple other videos on other stuff. And we'll see you in the next one.